दुनिया में, दुनिया में, दुनिया में।
બીજા જોઈન કરે છે ને, અમે વેઇટ કરીએ. आ गए, घर आ गए मनोज भाई?
हाँ
पापा सब उधर है?
हाँ उधर है. हाँ मैं भी गांव पे अभी 11 डेज का फ्यूनरल सेरेमनी रहता ना, वो कंप्लीट होने के बाद.
अच्छा अच्छा, तो अभी आप अभी 20th के बाद शायद चालू करने का सोच रहे, तो आप कुशल भाई तो पहुंच जाएंगे ना?
19th को है वो 11 डेज का फ्यूनरल प्रोग्राम, तो 20th आई विल बी हियर.
ओके, ग्रेट, फैंटास्टिक.
और कैसे कपिल भाई?
बस सब चल रहा है. देखो अभी तो हम लोग भी वेट कर रहे हैं एंक्शियसली. अभी 20th को चालू होता है तो होपफुली चालू हो जाएगा. अभी अभी मैंने न्यूज में देखा कि हमारा गुजरात में मतलब इंडिया में भी सबको ये दे रहे हैं, मतलब मोटर मैकेनिक को परमिशन दे रहे हैं चालू करने के लिए.
मैं भी मैकेनिक से बात करके रखा 20 के बाद ओपन होता तो रेडी रहने के लिए बोल दिया उनको.
वेरी गुड.
गुड इवनिंग सर. हां गुड इवनिंग सर. आवाज आ रही है?
गुड इवनिंग सर. हाउ आर यू? वेलकम वेलकम.
फाइन. कैसे हो? ठीक है.
बस बढ़िया. मनोज जी इज देयर फ्रॉम हैदराबाद. सुरेश अंकल इज देयर फ्रॉम मुंबई.
ओके.
कुशल जी भी है हैदराबाद से. मुबिन जी इज देयर फ्रॉम नवी मुंबई. मतलब अभी करंटली नवी मुंबई में नहीं है, करंटली आउट ऑफ कंट्री. करंटली आउट ऑफ कंट्री.
हाय टू एवरीबॉडी.
अभी सर हम लोग 5 मिनट वेट करते हैं, सब लोग ज्वाइन हो रहे हैं.
ठीक है. ओके सर.
అసలే రేడియేషన్ ఎక్కువ వస్తుంది.
Hi, sir.
Yes, Manoj ji is here. Manoj ji,
Hi,
Vanshi,
yes, sir.
Gunjan bhai,
Hi, sir. Good morning. Good
welcome,
evening.
welcome.
Hi, sir.
Oh, Manoj bhai, oh, Chennai from Chennai.
Ah.
Then there is one more Manoj bhai from Hyderabad.
Oh, okay, okay.
वेरी गुड वेरी गुड जस्ट अ मिनट शायद सुनील जी ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं दीपक भाई उनसे एक बार
Okay.
मैसेज जस्ट अ मिनट
Sir, use English at that time.
या
Most of the
I'll
time.
yeah definitely
Okay, okay.
just hold on Bhai and Vanshi is also here
Hey, Raj Kishan, sir. What, sir?
actually he is into some interior part actually his father-in-law expired just 2 days
Ah,
prior to lockdown no sorry
yes, yes.
one day after lockdown so he had to
Hmm,
travel to some interior place and he's stuck up there
okay.
so he cannot move out now the
Okay.
in that area there is a lot of problem of network so so
Hmm.
he joins but you know he cannot connect with he only writes with chat so
Okay, okay.
he joins sometime because this connectivity also comes sometime I mean during the day or during the afternoon in the evening it is very much problem
Okay, okay, sir. No problem.
so he told me that I told him that it is better you take care of your family because you know he is the only male person now
Okay,
in
okay,
his,
okay, sir.
in his family
Okay, sir.
so still he's doing he's trying to catch up I told him
Okay, okay, sir.
because this time you know as such everything is stop and you're not allowed to go also anywhere
Yes, 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 sir.
and all those rituals he has to fulfill the rituals also
So that's another Manoj coming inside, I guess.
yes same thing happened with our Manoj bhai at Hyderabad his
Oh,
uncle got expired 2-3 days back so you know he had to rush this is a very
oh,
difficult time you know
yes, sir. Yes.
so we understand so that is the reason we don't force Raj bhai you know
Okay, okay.
Sunil ji has just joined from Baroda that is from Bhaili outlet shall we start
Yes, sir.
okay great so basically see welcome all again second time in the day we have new joinees we have our experienced age old people of our franchisees so all are welcome to on this platform basically few hours back 1 or 2 hours back we were discussing today about the social media the reason behind discussing particularly about social media is that you all would be see I am talking in English particularly for benefit of everybody because Manoj is you know from Chennai is there so hope it is clear with everybody right
Yeah,
so the
sorry,
reason
I'm not bit more comfortable with Hindi.
no issues everybody is comfortable with English so
Okay.
reason behind connecting it again second time is that we have been discussing about social media and promotion of our outlets and everything in social media on Facebook page Facebook Instagram Twitter all these social media mediums we have been talking
Hmm.
time and again and you must be having I mean you all have you must be having seen our post Speed Force page our company Speed Force page where you know we
Hmm.
keep on updating it time to time I mean daily we keep on updating and to be very honest and upfront with you because now as such we all are a family now it is not like a franchise or a company the success that what we have got is because of this Facebook promotion page honestly saying it took us time to get to reach this level but in last 6 months what we had the turnaround that has happened major role has been played by this Facebook page Dipen bhai is daily he updates something or the other like what you saw that post now we both whenever we get the time now I also started posting all the things on that page whenever is comfortable when he is busy I post I am busy he post he does the posting so this is really a very good opportunity and very good tool So you all must have seen, we have seen these recent examples, like when we had this opening in Lucknow, we boosted this post in that area. We had this opening in Nirmali. We had post boosted that opening in that area, particularly that post in that area. So we have been discussing many things. It is a huge subject. The social media and Facebook this promotion is a huge subject. So we have been discussing all these things across the table with everybody one on one or individually. So we thought that let us have this platform in this time. As such, it is extended for more 4, 5, 6 days. Hopefully by 20th we'll start working, because transportation has also been allowed. So so this is the right time to create the post, and this is the right time to create pages, individual pages. So we thought that Manoj ji from Chennai, our Manoj ji from Chennai, can someone put on mute? Yeah. So Manoj sir from Chennai, he is having his own IT company, and he specializes in social media marketing. He's having his own team, and in dealing into an event management company. He deals through many corporates and does events for all these, through all the mediums, physically and online promotions. So while discussing this with him, I got a call today morning, and today we had discussed in length that he comes up with very good suggestions, like sanitization. What we had introduced, he had introduced to so many good suggestions that what Dipen Bhai informed everybody in our last call, that Manoj sir has informed few things. Today Manoj ji had told me that we shall do such kind of Facebook page promotions of all the outlets. So it is a centralized process that what he has come up with. So I would like to, not I'll not take much time. Particularly Manoj ji would share how it will do, and then we'll discuss on Google Business also. So Manoj ji, can you please explain everybody what we had discussed in the day today? Manoj ji?
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello. Can you-
Everyone is here.
Yeah, please continue.
Yes, sir. Initially before starting up, because now we have already planned that everyone should start a Facebook page for their respective franchises. Say, suppose for Hyderabad, Chennai, and Bihar. Bihar has 4 or 5, or Gujarat has 4 or 5. If so, in future it would get. I am if it can grow up to 100 or 150 pages. In such cases, it would be a tough task for as a centralized company Speed Force to maintain it, having so many individual pages. For example, if a company has to put an ad or promote a page on behalf of the franchisee, and that franchisee, has to assign an ad account or approve an ad account having the Speed Force centralized account to be connected. This is somewhere it is a very a little bit a challenging task for everyone to get connected to one single ad account. And meanwhile, I would suggest Speed Force to make an individual pages for every franchisees from the Speed Force main account, because every franchisee is going to have only a Facebook page, not an account. Now, for particularly for recently, I saw this Hyderabad automobiles have opened a page, but it could have been opened from their own Facebook account, and from their Facebook that account they have created this Speed Force page. But in future, uniformity of post and the other things will not be properly aligned, and handling so many pages in a different accounts is also a little bit a tedious process. So I would suggest Speed Force to create a Facebook page on behalf of the franchisee from their Speed Force parent account itself. So managing multiple pages from a single account is very easier, and uniformity of informations will also be the same without polluting different. Because if simple an individual page has been opened by an individual account, there are many possibilities of polluting the content. Say any person can post anything. These restrictions can be handled in a single handed itself from the centralized unit, where you can make settings that other people cannot post other than relevant data, and reviews can be monitored, and reviews can be handled also in such a way that we don't get any bad reviews or anything getting posted immediately. These kind of restrictions can be taken care as a speed force, because handling Facebook account to see it is little bit easier, but doing on in a day by day basis, you want someone to dedicate some persons to dedicated persons involved daily to handle it. So as a franchisee, it would be tough for you person to dedicate, even if a owner or a person, if a manager is handling it. If that manager goes off, or say he resigns or anything, then that Facebook page becomes an abandoned one, and for so many days it will not have any post or anything. So it will be left aside idle. So in that case, I would request Speed Force to handle all the pages, because already I came to know that if anyone or there are so many representatives or so many people working in the head office itself. At least one person or two person who will be handling in this digital section, regularly posting all the
Hello.
Please.
Please, Manoj sir, continue, Manoj ji. नहीं बाकी वाला म्यूट कर दियो, बाकी वाला म्यूट कर दियो.
Hello.
Yeah, just hold on. Yeah, now continue, Manoj ji, please.
For till what level you are hearing, I just don't know when it got disconnected.
Actually, you had been saying that from the centralized, that what it was to be done from that.
Yeah, it would be easier for you to handle multiple accounts rather than individual franchises handling an individual account, because handling Facebook page it is a little bit easier, but in fact you need to dedicate some resources to handle it regularly, or otherwise that account would become inactive in a while. If you don't look at, because anyhow you are going to Speed Force as a central account, you are going to, as of now, you would be forwarding the post, what has to be put and what are the contents you need to be put in that individual franchises in WhatsApp or email or anything. It is the duty for the franchisees to take the content and post it on their respective accounts. If they didn't do it properly, in fact, for an example, Delhi has 4 outlets. You would have sent the content to all 4 franchises. 2 franchises would have posted it. 2 franchises would have left it, or they forgot it, or they posted it very late. In such cases, 2 would be left aside. That account will not be showing that information which has to be shown on that particular time. So in this case, these are the practical difficulties most of Facebook maintaining people would have been experienced. So I suggest Speed Force to take this Facebook page, because it's no matter that every franchisees will also have an individual Facebook page name itself. Say for example, now they have created Speed Force. For Hyderabad, it would be Facebook/V Pro Automobiles. This is what is going to happen for every page itself. So that is not an issue for you, because this page link would be same as now how they are creating. Anyhow, uniformity of content rules also be available. Hello, Are you getting him?
Okay. Excellent. So basically, yeah, Deepan bhai.
मनोज जी
Yes sir. Yes sir.
मनोज जी, आपने जो बोला है ना, कल मैं आपको बताऊं, मैं कल में देख रहा था, फेसबुक पेज देख रहा था, कल में एक रात को विवेक बिंद्रा का फेसबुक पेज देख रहा था, तो मेरे को वहां पे उसका फेसबुक पेज में बाजू में इंस्टाग्राम का भी वो पेज दिख रहा था, और
Sir, I could not understand you. Can you just?
Yeah, I'll convert it into your language. Manoj ji,
Sure.
Deepan bhai shall share his point. Yeah, Deepan bhai, बोलो.
उनके पेज के ऊपर ट्विटर भी दिख रहा है, इंस्टाग्राम भी दिख रहा है, सब। मैं अभी आपको स्क्रीन शेयर कर रहा हूँ उसका। पहले मैं आपको जो फेसबुक का क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है ना, हमने जो एक एड देते हैं उसका, एक मैंने यहाँ पे बनाया, मैं स्क्रीन शेयर कर रहा हूँ, दिखा देता हूँ आपको एक बार पहले।
Yeah, so Manoj ji, what he's trying to share is that
देखिए ये रिजल्ट आता है, कितने 30,952 के पास पहुंचा, इतने एंगेजमेंट हुए, इतने 58 लिंक क्लिक किए हुए, सब अलग अलग एंगेजमेंट है ये है। और आज
that is all impression. 3056 is an impressions. It reaches, and next one is the impressions, and clicks is the paid conversions. But normally it happens is that only 5% would be the conversion ratio. If the post reaches around 5 lakh people, only 500 would be a conversion maximum.
Yes. So what his point in saying is that, say for example, he was going through this page of Vivek Bindra, and what he saw, what he's talking on the same line, that what you are discussing, that what is the effect? Depend on Brinda spelling all of Bindra. So what his point in saying is that what you are saying is correct, that what the effect it gets if it is done through centralized process. So everything, the uniformity is maintained. He's saying the same thing, that it is beneficial for everybody. I'll share one more example after this.
देखो यहाँ पे YouTube है, यहाँ पे Twitter है, यहाँ पे Instagram है।
And for a small request is that YouTube and Twitter, please don't divide into multiple franchises, because YouTube and Twitter is successful only with their followers. So Speed Force handle it as a single Twitter page where you let all franchises share the same Twitter page, etc., so that the followers are increasing drastically. Because yes sir.
We have our YouTube channel. मैं आपको शेयर करता हूँ उसका भी. We have our channel. This is our own channel. Here you find every videos.
Yes sir, this is fine. In this YouTube channel, you can create multiple menus, multiple categories. Say you have Speed Force as a single YouTube channel, where in that you can add a category YouTube channel. Inside itself, you can add a category Hyderabad, Chennai, where any videos which you are, say, news videos or anything, if you are getting any inputs, you post it in the Hyderabad section.
Okay.
So when anyone searches or goes for an SEO purposes, videos which would be tagged with Hyderabad would be showing to them as the first preference. Say, for example, if you go for India Glitz or Behind Goods, you would have seen many categories as music, entertainment, news. These are all different categories. So here in your case, Speed Force has an single YouTube channel. In that channel, there are so many categories where Hyderabad, Mumbai, say Maharashtra, Gujarat, these categories can be added, and the videos can be added to the respective category.
Okay.
So you need not pollute different YouTube channels, because it may create fake issues in YouTube that will make many restrictions. YouTube may block the content many times.
Yes. अभी YouTube में वही किया ना, जो कोरोना के लिए जो वो इंफॉर्मेशन ऐसा था कि जो यूजफुल नहीं था उसको हटा ही दिया, सारे वीडियोस हटा दिए.
So there are more options for blocking in YouTube if you have the same name in many channels.
Yeah. सही है।
या दीपेन भाई
Yes.
कंटिन्यू।
तो ये हमारे पेज में हम किस तरह से हम बना सकते हैं वो पूरा उसके एक उसके लिए शायद
So I mean,
अलग से
yeah.
बैठ लेते हैं इनके साथ।
So Manoj,
दूसरा ऐसा था
Manoj
कि जैसे हम जूम मीटिंग करते हैं ना, मैं अभी दोपहर को वेबिनार एक अटेंड कर रहे थे हम लोग, मैं और कपिल भाई दोनों अटेंड कर रहे थे। वो वेबिनार था उसकी वेबसाइट के ऊपर, लेकिन हमको जो दिख रहा था वो पूरा वेबिनार यूट्यूब पे। जैसे मैं बताऊं आपको, मैं बताऊं आपको, जैसे अभी यहाँ पे ये है, अगेन मेरे पास यही आ जाएगा। देखो ये है ना, ये अगर मेरे को अगर ये जो, एक मिनट में आपको शेयर करता हूँ। हाँ, ये इसका आर्ट ऑफ लिंक का पेज है, तो यहाँ पे हम फॉलो करते हैं ना, तो ये मेरे को देखना है तो मैं उनकी डायरेक्ट वेबसाइट के ऊपर उसके क्रेडेंशियल मेरे पास है, आईडी पासवर्ड वगैरह है, वहां पे देखता हूँ, तो वहां पे भी ये देख सकता हूँ और यूट्यूब में भी देख सकता हूँ।
So Manoj ji, is there something? Yeah, is there something
Yes, sir, I
that
couldn't
we can
get.
share
I
this?
didn't get
Yeah,
him.
I'll
Can you just?
tell you. I'll tell you. Actually, what his point is saying is that whenever we are doing this Zoom meeting, because see now we have been able to invite say 1200. Now we are creating one session where 1000 or 1200 people will be invited for one of the session, right? So if someone wants to join, they can join through YouTube. Like for example, there will be some guest speakers, like say for example, Sunil ji or Mubin ji or Vansh bhai or you or me or Deepan bhai. We
Hello.
हाँ बोलिए।
Hello.
हेलो।
Yes, sir. Kapil sir.
and others will be only listeners through YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah. Hello. Others will be only
Yes, sir.
participants, and yeah, and then we can take the Q&A. So how that process is being done? That is what he's pointing asking.
No, actually that is done through an integration part. Say, can you just tell me that website ID, sir? I'll just explain you live.
He will share in our group. He will share in our group.
No, just let me know. I am in front of the system only. No
Oh,
issues.
okay. He's sharing it. Wait a minute. He'll share the screen.
Because now Zoom you are using as a free platform, sir. There is another option in Zoom also where you need. Yeah, this is integrated module.
Okay.
Integrated. See, actually now we are using Zoom as a free version. Okay, but we can integrate Zoom as a business aspect itself, where you can create how many webinars or how many rooms. You can create so many rooms and invite so many persons, and there would be so many webinars going at continuously, simultaneously. And as now you can get the report also, how many webinars have been taken place, how many persons have been the visitors, how many persons have been the speakers, and how much time it was been, because this is the one we need to connect Zoom into our system. Say for example, now you have speedforce.com or speedsport.in. There you can create an integration of Zoom platform, and you would get a backend dashboard of Zoom itself, where you can create this meeting. Now you are going to the Zoom website and creating this Zoom interview request. That Zoom can be integrated through an API, which Zoom is already providing, because nowadays most of the schools and other educational platforms, they start teaching through teaching their students through Zoom itself. This is where Zoom will, we can create a single dashboard for you, and then that dashboard you can create unlimited rooms. There are some restrictions. One room should have around 50 participants or 60 hosts. Host is different with viewers and whom the participants. Host should be just considered, where there you can analyze how many meetings you can generate, with whom the meeting has been taken place, how much hours has been taken place, who has initiated this meeting. These are all the data should be available backend for your in your dashboard itself. This is an integrated. If you go to the Zoom site, it's also, you can, if you come scroll down, you will have for developer mode API access. Zoom is allowing API for maximum applications. In that we need to connect with your web applications, where it would become like a content management system. This is the option for other what you are asking, sir. That's what you are, when you create a meeting here in free access, you need to specify the time limit, say 20 minutes, 30 minutes. And this can be customized when you integrate it with your system. You would get an individual dashboard where you can create so many meetings and you can invite it, send it as an invite to any number of person, and also you can display it in your website where anyone can interested can register and join the meeting simultaneously.
Great. So we can use that platform that way also. So now
Yes, sir.
basically we can discuss now this to the other platform. As such, there are only 7-8 minutes left. So now we can take suggestions from everyone. See, I can see one benefit from this suggestion is I have been from day one. We have been starting. We have been introducing many franchises into the market that all are running. Now I have seen people like I can name you a bit pages like Pitolwala Auto Services, TLC Auto Care, Sri Vardhan Auto Services. They have created the page 2 years, 2.5 years back. What Manojji is saying, but there is no single post. There is no engagement that has been done from their end. So what has happened is that they have created
No
the
issue,
page.
sir.
Sir,
No
my,
issue, sir. Let
sir,
them
my
create.
point is,
Let them
my
create.
point is, yeah, sir, they can create, but my point in saying is that the thing that what you are saying about uniformity is very good. That we can have this uniformity and we can use this from single account and can flash it in all the pages. That is what you are saying.
Yeah, even if they have created earlier itself, no issues. From here, I will guide you. From your
Okay.
SpeedForce account, you can you can request an admin access to that page,
Okay.
and immediately those person can approve it. At that moment, everything you can get the access.
Okay. Because see, sir, I can share you one more example. I'll not take much time from of everybody. I can share you. I shared with you personally today that there had one incident which has happened. One customer had got the vehicle service from one workshop. Now he had written a bad review to other workshops page, Speed Force page. He found out on Google and he found out Speed Force, so he written something on the other workshop page. Now that workshop didn't know anything about the incident. Now his rating was affected, and in Google you cannot you can only report, you cannot remove the rating or you cannot do the rating anything.
Yes,
Only
of course.
only the
Of
person
course.
who has written the review can remove the post, can remove the review.
Yes.
Nobody, you cannot do it
Yes.
from your own. You can only report that thing, right? Now due to some mistake, the other workshop had to suffer. Now if those rights would have been with, and he didn't knew how to report, how to do everything, so he called me up. So I guided him. We discussed with the customer. We said him, sir, you have made a mistake. You write the review, whatever you want to write the review. We are very much open to accept the review, but write in this workshop page. Don't write in other workshop page because of some other problem. Someone else is suffering. So
Yes, of course.
if that was been a centralized process, this would not have happened, or this would have been taken into control. This is a very
Yes,
good
and of
idea
course
for
there is another feature also already available. We can restrict people giving reviews and other things to your supplementary pages. Only reviews can be given to the main page where they can you would have your customer support or anyone who could call him back or whatever it is. Because another one advantage is that if you have a centralized review system, that if you have around 100 channelized pages, franchisee pages, say for an example, every day a single one review is coming from one franchisee, you would have 100 reviews. 100 reviews, which would be categorized one by one. So flooding of many reviews will not give more intensity of people seeing it.
Agreed to your point. So everybody, you just give it your thought. We can again connect with Manojji, because as such we have more 5-6 days. We need to discuss about Google business also. Setting up Google business is a very good idea, because we have seen success on Google business. of the workshops that have been performing very good on Google Business. And it is very ideal platform in the initial stage because you get integrated with maps, search engines, everything you get on that. So Google Business, you can download Google Business. Hyderabad team has already been doing it. So now we can do that also. We can keep a session. So these are various things that we can do to promote our things on that. So I would just request here, I would request everybody,
Google business, everyone has to do it individually. The franchisee
individually,
should do it individually. Then only
individually.
they can index the address individually. You can't do it
Yeah.
centralized.
Can't do it. So Gunjanji, I would just answer it in a nutshell. It is a business platform where it is an app basically on a Play Store, where customer searches through keywords like two-wheeler repairs, two-wheeler this, two-wheeler that, breakdown service. So they get our this thing, and they can review our business. Like it's an integrated app wherein we can say a Zomato kind of thing, where everything, all the restaurants are there. You can review, you can take services, you can ask for direction, you can call on that. You also get the report how many customers search for your workshop, how many people saw your this thing. You get entire report on monthly basis on Google Business. So individually that has to be done from our own self. Yeah, we have only 2 minutes. Only 2 minutes.
गूगल बिजनेस वही लोग कर सकते हैं क्या, मतलब जिनके पास ऐप ऐसा?
Everybody can do Google Business from Play Store. You can download Google Business from Play Store, and then you can use that thing from your phone only.
Yeah, because once you register for Google Business, you would get an envelope, say a code, printed code envelope to your address. Once you enter that code only, that business would get indexed to the Google. Otherwise, that address would be only available for 7 days. After that, it will get it lost.
Yes. So you get an online, or you get through this offline also.
Offline. To that address, you will get a small code cover from Google.
Small envelope. Yes.
Yeah. If you open, you will have a code which you need to register in that Google Business login.
Yes.
And then only that address will be showed off to the Google.
And then it will go online for viewing for everybody, open for everybody.
Now, right? Open for everybody itself. Its meaning is that we have a store name XYZ available here. That's all.
Yes. So customers.
Now we have opened the store like you getting this ration card. I am an identity. You are creating identity for that location. That's
for that particular location. So I'll share that thing. I'll share that thing. What is it? Yes. I'll share that thing. I'll share the screenshot and mails and everything. We'll keep a separate session for Google Business. I would just request everyone to just give it a thought, give it an idea, and let us decide once again that if this has to be implemented on all for everybody. So we are ready as Speed Force. Me and Deepan Bhai are ready, and if need be, we can assign one individual person also from Speed Force team to handle everybody's page and post and everything. We don't have a problem. So Manojji, we can separately discuss, you, me, and Deepan Bhai on this.
Sure.
We'll do it. You all please give it your thought. Maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow we'll plan a schedule. So please get in touch again in the evening only, later in the evening after 6:30. Yeah. So we have less than 1 minute. All the best. Take care, everyone.
Thank you.
Please decide and we'll again get back. Yeah.
Okay.